Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I made corned jollof spaghetti. So if you want to know how I got here, please keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is to sweat out our onions and garlic in groundnut oil. I'm not using a lot of oil for this recipe because corned beef is salty and it has a lot of oil. So yeah, have you hit the subscribe button because you guys support a girl support a young girl. Please hit the subscribe button, let me know that you love what you're watching, and even if you don't, please leave a comment, please like the videos, please share the videos to your timeline on your social media, please subscribe, and please let me know if you'll be trying out these recipes. So I'm going to just sweat out these onions and garlic. I want it to be totally cooked, and then I added a bit of rough blended pepper, nothing serious, this is let's say 3 tablespoons, because I did 1 full spoon and then a little bit more, but this is up to your taste. If you don't like a lot of pepper, please either skip this part and just use tomato paste, or just use a little bit of pepper depending on what works for your palate basically. So after that, I'm adding a little bit of tomato paste, and I'm just going to make sure this fries properly in the oil. I'm not using too much oil because I'm not using a lot of pasta today. So and I'm also using corned beef, so I want to keep the oil to a minimal level as much as I can. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is add thyme, a generous amount of thyme, and a generous amount of curry powder, and then I'm also going to let this fry out a little bit before I add our corned beef. So how do you like your corned beef? Some people add corned beef probably at the end of their meal. I love my corned beef cooked and very cooked. So right after the seasoning, I'm going to mix everything in and then put in our corned beef, and I'm going to let that cook properly before I now add in our pasta. So this recipe is basically straightforward. After the corned beef, we're going to put in our pasta. We're going to make sure the corned beef fries properly as well. And then today I'm not going to use any sauce. I'm not using stock or anything. I'm going to just use the pasta water, the water I used when I was boiling the pasta. I boiled the pasta for 3 minutes, a little over 3 minutes in super hot water, and then I'm going to use that today as my kind of stock, just to make sure that this corned beef marinates and gels and loves up on the pasta, and everybody will be one big happy family in this pan. So this is going to just cook out and sweat out a little bit to make sure that our beef is properly cooked with the pepper together. And then we're going to put in our pasta, and then a little bit of pasta water, and then I added a little bit more of seasoning because I just used 2 cubes at the beginning, and because I'm not using any meat stock, I also wanted to be careful to make sure that the salt from the corned beef does not overpower the pasta. So if this sticks in the pan, well, especially if you're using a non-stick pan, or if you're using a pan that is just, don't worry about that. By the time you add the pasta water, everything just kind of works together. For this pan anyways, everything works together. And I think I've used this in another pot as well. So I've done the same recipe in another pot as well. Once you pour in the pasta water, everything that gets stuck at the bottom just comes up, and those burnt little parts that always add extra flavor. So don't stress too much, guys. It's a simple recipe, just pasta. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. My name is Mdevaan, and I really appreciate this view. Please share this video if you love it. Please try out this recipe. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you'll be doing and what you love about this recipe. Thank you so much. And of course, you can replace corned beef with any protein of your choice. For my veggies, I added sweet corn, green peppers, and red onions. Basics. Just the basics. So thank you so much for watching.